You don't need an expensive Photoshop subscription to start a clothing brand. Canva just added this free AI tool. Today, I'm showing you the exact rapid-fire workflow to launch a profitable, automated t-shirt brand with zero upfront cost. Most people think starting a clothing line requires dropping thousands of dollars on physical inventory, renting a warehouse, and spending months learning complicated design software. But the wealthiest creators are doing the exact opposite. They are running completely faceless print-on-demand stores, letting AI do the heavy lifting while they collect the profits passively. The biggest mistake beginners make is designing generic quote shirts that nobody actually wants to buy. A faceless brand succeeds because it targets highly specific, obsessive subcultures. We're talking about retro mushroom foragers, dedicated pug owners, or hardcore mountain bikers. When you design for a hyper-specific niche, people don't care who owns the brand. They just want the shirt that perfectly matches their identity. And because the market is so targeted, these designs sell themselves. Let's build a profitable national park hiking shirt from scratch to show you exactly how easy this is. First, open Canva and create a custom canvas-sized 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. This is the absolute industry standard for crisp, high-quality printing. Next, go down to the Apps tab and click on Magic Media. Forget hiring expensive graphic designers on Fiverr. Just type a highly descriptive prompt like this. A retro badge illustration of pine trees and a mountain peak, vintage colors, clean vector style on a white background. Hit Generate and watch as Canva's AI instantly builds you 4 completely unique, professional-grade graphics in under 10 seconds. It's like having an entire art team on your laptop. Pick the best design from the batch and expand it so it fills your canvas completely. Now for the most important step that beginners always mess up. Head up to Edit Photo and click the Background Remover tool. In literally one click, Canva perfectly strips out that harsh white AI background, leaving you with a perfectly clean, transparent PNG file. Next, to make it look like an authentic high-end vintage shirt, search your elements for distressed texture and drop a subtle semi-transparent grunge layer right over the graphic. Finally, hit Export and make absolutely sure that transparent background is checked. Now here is where the money is made. Go over to Printify and instantly connect it to a free Etsy storefront. This is the ultimate passive income machine. You simply upload your transparent Canva PNG directly onto their high-quality blank t-shirts, premium hoodies, and coffee mugs. Here is the magic workflow in action. When a customer buys your shirt on Etsy, Printify automatically receives the order, prints the shirt, packs it up, and ships it directly to the customer. And the best part? Your brand name goes straight on the shipping box. You never touch the physical product, and you keep all the profit margins. Price your premium vintage shirts at $24.99 and just let the algorithm and automation run in the background. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below right now with exactly what niche you want to try first, or just type the word POD if you want me to record a full 30-minute deep dive tutorial covering every single step of this setup. Stop making excuses about expensive software. The tools are entirely free. Hit that subscribe button on Genius Junkie to unlock the absolute best automated digital business